Title: The Millionaire Janitor Mindset. How an ordinary man built an $8 million fortune. The Money-Mindset. The dream to achieve big. In 1950, a man named Ronald Read worked as a gas station attendant his entire life. He wore tattered clothes. He drove an old beat-up car. His neighbors thought he was broke. When he died at age 92, he left behind an $8 million fortune. No inheritance, no lottery, no crypto. Just one simple mindset about money that most people never learn, and in the next few minutes, you will. Welcome to the Money Mindset, where we break down the secrets of wealth in a way anyone can understand. The education system teaches you how to be an employee. Wake up. Nobody teaches you how money actually works. Nobody explains compound interest. Work hard. Get a paycheck, spend it, repeat. Ronald Read understood something most people don't. It's not about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep and what you do with it. Most people fall into 3 deadly money traps. Trap number 1, lifestyle inflation. Luxury car purchase. Expensive shopping. New phone. Credit card spending. The wealthy do the opposite. Warren Buffett still lives in the same house he bought in 1958. Trap number 2, no financial plan. Empty wallet. Trap number 3, waiting for the perfect moment. Calendar pages flipping, clock ticking, person procrastinating. So what did Ronald Read actually do? Spend less than you earn. Invest the difference. Be patient. He bought stocks in companies he understood and never sold them. If you invest just $200 per month starting at age 25, you could have over $700,000 by age 65. Starting just 10 years later could cost you nearly $500,000. Time is the most valuable financial asset you have, and most people waste it. Ronald Read never made headlines while he was alive. He wasn't flashy. He wasn't loud. He just followed the rules of money every single day for decades. If this video changed how you think about money, subscribe to The Money Mindset and join us for a new lesson every day. The Money Mindset. Subscribe for daily wealth lessons. The Money Mindset. Think different. Earn bigger.